Here I'm going to teach you how to bootload Ubuntu onto your flash drive. First of all, you need to go to Google and install Rufus. Okay. Once you go to bootload USB, the first link, and then you scroll down, you will find the download button over here. This download button doesn't work, so you will have to press this Rufus 3.13. Okay. When it's installed, you're going to run it. And yes, beside it, you'll need to open the new tab. Let's minimize this for a minute and go to Google. Over here, you'll type in Ubuntu 20.04 download. And you're going to go on to the first link. Over here, you're going to download Ubuntu by clicking on this green button, which you will find it on the right side of the desktop. Once, if it doesn't start downloading, you can always press download now again. But as I've already downloaded it, I'm not going to press it. It didn't work this time, but if you do, like, okay, I'm gonna press it for you. Look, by pressing it, it started downloading. But as I already have downloaded it beforehand, I'm not gonna download it again. So now you need to plug in your USB. Make sure that it's above 4 GB and as much space as it can contain, but it should be not less. Once you plug in the USB, it should automatically be detected, but if it does not detect, yeah, look, it automatically detected my USB. It's Ubuntu to 20.04 the device name. Now I'm going to go here and select and wait, and once it opens this Dropbox, you're gonna go to Ubuntu, you're gonna open it, and then you're gonna go over here and leave it as it is, leave this as it is, and make sure that it's on FAT32 default, and this is also on FAT32 default, and then you're going to start it. This may take a while. It's starting now. Let's wait. Okay, now you can see it's ready. The USB has been booted with Ubuntu 20.04, and now you can easily boot it onto any device you want by using this USB. Well, this was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment your queries in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe to get updates for our latest videos every time we upload.